Experience FitLine's exclusive nutrient transport concept in the new FitLine Med product line. The nutrient transport concept brings the nutrients when they are needed to exactly where they are needed, the cellular level, with FitLine from the inside and FitLine from the outside. Q10 Oxy Repair by FitLine Med quickly and effectively promotes the cell renewal process of irritated and injured skin. FitLine Microsolve Q10 supports the biological cell activity and provides new energy for regeneration. Molecular oxygen promotes the skin's own metabolic functions and accelerates cell renewal. The special two-component system protects the valuable Microsolve Q10 and the molecular oxygen until activation. FitLine Med Q10 Oxy Repair for fast and effective regeneration of the skin.